close homeboy, Mr. No Class himself, stopped by the pad. He came with his fucking 1946 air compressor on a trailer. It's pretty dope. Watch, check it out, check it out.
I post a video, I'll tag you in it.
I think it will fit though.
I'm over here at Random Ricky's.
Yeah, this is crazy. I didn't even put 2 and 2 together to make 4. Damn, I'm so that's not working.
It's alright. Fuck it, that'll be cool either way, whether it's an engine roller or anything, because I got a fucking badass flathead V8 at the house.
Fuck yeah.